Here I have OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. So by tapping on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can also switch hotspot here. You can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its AP band. You can set it to be hidden, you can use Wi-Fi 6 standard. You can add devices to block list, you can set up maximum amount of connections, you can set up data usage limit. You can set hotspot to turn off automatically if nobody is connected for 10 minutes. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering, USB tethering or Ethernet tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.